In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off happening soon notifications in Gmail. Those happening soon alerts usually come from Gmail's smart features that scan your messages to surface useful info, like upcoming events, reservations, and reminders right in your inbox. If you prefer a quieter experience or don't want Gmail proactively surfacing those alerts, you can turn them off with a quick setting change. I'll walk you through the exact path and what to expect along the way. Start by opening a browser and signing in to Gmail with the account where you're seeing the notifications. Make sure you're in the inbox view. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. A side panel called Quick Settings will slide open. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is important because the option we need is only available in the full settings view. You should land on the General tab by default. Stay on this tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. It may be near the middle of the page, and it controls whether Gmail uses your email content to provide conveniences like event suggestions, summary cards, and proactive alerts, including those happening soon notifications. In that section, uncheck the box that enables these smart features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. When you disable this, Gmail stops using your messages to create those kinds of reminders and nudges, which is what removes the happening soon alerts. As a heads up, turning this off also affects things like Smart Reply and Smart Compose, summary cards for things like travel or packages, and other predictive suggestions. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm that you want to turn off these features. Once the box is unchecked, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail may briefly reload. If you don't notice an immediate change, that's normal. Your preference is saved, and the alerts will stop showing going forward. The setting applies to this account across any browser where you use Gmail. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same section and re-enable the checkbox to bring those smart features back. That's it. No extra tools or extensions required. You've turned off the happening soon notifications by disabling Gmail's smart features and personalization. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.